You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna do a little walk down memory lane because I keep seeing people say like it's too late to start a vegetable garden. You can never grow enough of your own food. Like don't even try, don't bother. Like it's such a sad take in my opinion. So I just want to show you something, okay? First of all, you don't need a lot of money to get started with gardening. You can get started for mostly free. Some things will cost money. Yeah, it's going to cost you some money if you need to buy some garden soil. But if you have pretty good soil under your feet, you can just grow straight in the ground. You don't have to have an expensive garden bed to grow your food. So here is my first garden at my current house, all right? And before you say anything, I started out gardening in buckets on my balcony. I was growing cucumbers, I was growing tomato plants, I was growing peppers, I was growing herbs. You can grow things on a balcony garden. You don't even have to have land. You can grow in anything that can hold soil. But here was my first garden at my current house, okay? I built this out of trash. It's trash. So I made this little gate to keep my dogs out of some random garbage I found in the shed here from the previous homeowner. And I also used some pallet wood to make little paths in between my vegetable garden beds. And I grew in the ground. And see this wood here running along? I found some of that just laying around in my yard from the previous homeowner. And then these sunflowers and cucumbers here, I actually grew those using Dollar Tree seeds. Yeah, Dollar Tree seeds. So when I started building this garden, it was in the beginning of the pandemic. And so we weren't really leaving the house, you know? And I was just like, I know this is where I want my vegetable garden to be. So I'm not going to waste any more time. I'm going to start growing right here, you know? And yes, I realize I'm lucky because I have an actual yard and not a lot of people have a yard. But again, you do not need a lot of space to get started gardening. You can garden on your balcony. You can do a hydroponic system. There are a lot of really affordable options. You can build your own hydroponic system in kind of like a tower garden system using PVC and fish tank pumps. And also, if your goal for gardening is to replace 100% of your food, you're never going to do it. But that doesn't mean it's not a good enough reason to start gardening because you don't want to you're not trying to replace 100% of your food. You're not going to be able to grow rice in your backyard. So your goal is to just offset some of it and just grow it for joy and grow it because you want to. But it's also a net positive for you to be gardening, truly. It helps the environment and it helps people to understand where their food comes from. So food security can look like a lot of things, but learning a skill like gardening is a skill. It's a skill. And a life skill is never wasted. And your garden should be an experiment. You're going to fail a lot. You're not going to always have a super productive year, you know? And after years of pouring love and effort into my garden and spending lots of money and time, this is where it is today. I did not arrive there in a vacuum. I spent a lot of money to get there. I'm never going to sugarcoat that. You will spend a lot of money to get to this point, but it's still worth it. It takes time. The garden's greatest lesson is patience, guys. You can do this. You can grow this too eventually. You can eventually get there if you want to. It takes time.